Yo, what's good, YouTube? Name is Ryan, and I made a little bit over $4,000 trading this past week in the stock market. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you what it actually takes to make money in the market. Like, how do you actually pay your taxes? Like, what are the actual implications to make this profit like day to day? Like, how are you actually gonna become like consistently profitable over like a long period of time? I'm gonna be straight up, right? So number one, you're gonna need to have a trading plan. So first of all, go to the site right here. It's called thecalculatorsite.com, and you can actually create a systemized plan for yourself. And it's called compound interest. A lot of people, you won't even realize that making $100 a day or even like $150 a day as a beginner, yo, that adds up every single day. Like, people see my videos making $1,000 a day. You know, I made 4K this past week. They're like, oh, I want to emulate that. Yo, this is 4 years in the making. Like, it took me a year and a half to become profitable. Like, I literally fell on my ass for a year and a half straight. I'm talking about, the people couldn't even fathom what happened to me. Like, I literally lost tens and thousands of dollars. I'm looking in the mirror like, bro, like, I could have just bought some real estate. I could have bought a track hawk. I could have bought a scat pack. Bro, I could have just given my mom some money. I'm just like, bro, I just lost bands, like, bro, bands, right? And I realized there was 3 things that caused me that, right? It was a lack of discipline, a lack of accountability, and then also just simply not taking things serious. I didn't have a mentor. I had no groups. Like, I was literally driving in Houston with no GPS, right? So if you're trading right now and you feel like you're lost, or you feel like you're losing money, or maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're just starting, maybe you're an expert and you're losing money, right? You have to slow down and first create a trading plan for yourself. So on that website right there called thecalculatorsite.com, you can actually create a daily game plan, a weekly plan, a monthly plan, and just you can actually systemize and figure out exactly how much capital and how much cash you actually want to make every single month of your trading career. Now, the reason why this step right here is step 1 is because if you don't even know what you're aiming for, then what are you aiming for? What are you doing? You're basically planning to fail. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Think about it, guys, right? 3 to 5K a month, it sounds small, but yo, that will help pay off your rent and your bills in your household. And of course, it's gonna take you a little bit of time to be able to even like get to this point, because if you're just getting into trading, you need to focus on foundations, values, and morals in your trading. So go ahead and read these 2 books right here. Number 1 right here is called The Candlestick Trading Bible. It is the #1 trading book to help you about technical analysis. Ryan, what is technical analysis? It is the study of chart patterns. And this is gonna teach you all about candlesticks, which is the language of trading. Number 2 right here is called Trading in the Zone. It is the #1 book to focus on mental fortitude, psychology, and mindset into your trading. I honestly recommend you guys to listen to the audiobook. It's much more effective, and I feel like I was able to like come to my brain a little more easier. I don't know, I'm just different. I'm like a very big visual learner, hands-on learner. So the same way that I learn is how I teach. So if you don't know about my Discord, we do trading calls every single day. It's like a live voice call. So every single day we're live at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So every single day at Market Open, we're sharing our screen. It's a voice call. So every single trade that we do, you're actually able to see it in real time and copy it. But what I do is I focus on education. I want you to pass down generational wealth and knowledge to your kids and family, roommates, sisters, mom, wherever, because I'm sitting on my gluteus maximus behind and I'm making bands. I'm not saying that just to brag. I just feel like if you have a phone, a Wi-Fi, and a laptop, you are sitting on a lot of money, of opportunity. You just have to take action. What happens is people see what's happening in the world, the AI things, ChatGPT, stocks, investments, and then what's happening is you're suffering from analysis paralysis. You're thinking too much. Like, oh my gosh, what if this fails? Oh my gosh, what if I can't learn? No. The next thing that you need to do is focus on your technical analysis. This is the study of chart patterns. Now, I am a big time supply and demand zone trader. I also use like a lot of different smart money concepts, you know, things from ICT. Like, I use like a lot of different things, but my main bread and butter, I'm gonna tell you this right now, man. If you're not in the Discord, you're missing out, because we live trade every single day. And I literally give you my game. I give you my whole entire, like, I'm very, very passionate about this shit, because like I do this full time and I love it. Like, I love what I do. I'm literally sitting on my ass and I can just do what I want to do. But anyways, my strategy is basically mainly comprised off of supply and demand and also intraday market structure. I focus a lot in my Discord about market structure, market psychology, position sizing. Ryan, what the hell is position sizing? Listen to me right now. Guys, note takers are money makers. So I'm gonna sit up here because this gem right here is gonna make you a whole lot of money. So if you wanna trade stock options, you need to get this plan right here. down pat. Ryan, what is position sizing? This is simply getting the best average price on your position. So in the stock market world, you're gonna have two different contracts. You're gonna have calls and you're gonna have puts. So calls make money as stocks go up in price, and puts make money as stocks drop in price. So yes, as stocks are dropping in price, you're making money. So during COVID, companies were going to shit. And what were we doing in our chat? We were laughing, buying puts, making a bag, right? So a lot of people don't understand that there's money to be made on the downside too. So anyways, if you want to learn about position sizing, guys, take notes right here. And if you guys miss even one part of this video right here, you will not make money trading, guaranteed. So for position sizing into the options trading world, let's go ahead and start off first, right? So let's say that you want to get into trading, right? You're gonna need to have a risk management game plan. So I use the plan of 2020. What is the rule of 2020? You basically want to risk 20% of your portfolio on every single trade. So if I have $1,000 to trade, right? But here's $200, 400, 600, 800, and 1,000, right? So this right here is 5 different opportunities to make profit trading. So on the same 200, I want to also make 20% on my return on investment. So 20% of $200, that is $40 per trade, which sounds small. I know it sounds small, but look, this is just one simple trade. Imagine doing 3 trades. That's 120 in a day. That sounds small too, but like 120 a day, bro, that adds up. Like, you know, even if you're a beginner, any money adds up. I promise you guys. Just be patient. So now, position size. So let's go ahead and say that you want to go ahead and buy a call position, right? This trade is going to cost you $100 per trade, right? So if you put, so let's say that you plan to put $1,000 into this trade, right? So if you put the first 500 down at $100 per contract, so 5 times 100, that's $500 for the trade, right? So you have a remaining $500 to put into the trade, right? So with the remaining 500, be very, very patient, because if your trade goes down 20%, what happened? Now these contracts cost $80 per contract from $100. So now you're getting them on sale for $20 off per contract. So now look, please stay with me, guys. Please stay with me. So if you have 5 times 100, that's $500 on the trade, right? Then 5 times 80, that's $400. So $400 plus $500, that's $900. So $900 on the position. So $900 divided by 10 contracts, right? 5 and 5. Your average price per contract now is going to be $90 per contract, because you bought 5 at 100 and 5 at 80. So what is the midpoint between 100 and 80? It's 90. So what happened? Now the trade is able to bounce back from 90 to 100. So now people who did not average down, this is called the Dan's method, they're going to be sitting here at 0% profits, 0 losses. But you, the smart investor, you're intelligent, you're smart, you know what you're doing, you're using the Dan's method, you're now going to be up 12% on your return on investment. So this strategy right here is what I use to this day. And in my past 4 years of trading experience in the options world, this is damn near mandatory to even make it big long-term in your trading career. So if you want to learn some more again about trading, about our strategies, I'm gonna have way more videos for you guys. I just want to talk your ear off right now. You know, it's like 1:30 right now. You know, I'm about to probably go out tonight. You know, have a good time. But I want to see some more of you guys traveling, living your dream life, and just doing every single thing that you want to go to do. It sounds like you. Like below in the description, I have a link to my Discord, to my mentorship. So if you want to apply for that program, you definitely can go ahead and apply. We have a lot of things coming for our community. Every single day we're doing live trading. We have 2 weekly classes for people who are VIP. So every single week, we're focusing on helping you actually to upgrade your trading experience, your mindset, and your education. People don't focus on education. I'm gonna help you actually get to this bag. So if you wanna get into that bag, go ahead and give our channel right here a subscribe, like the video, comment below what videos you want us to go ahead and cover today on our YouTube. And with that being said, y'all have a blessed day. My name is Ryan Bands, and we out here. Peace.